Hey there, this is Becca from You Can Book Me, and today I'm going to walk you through our referral program. When you log into the back end of You Can Book Me, you'll be able to click Refer and Earn, found on the bottom left-hand side, as well as in the top drop-down menu. When you click it, this is what's going to pop up. This is your unique referral link. Any friends who click this link and sign up for You Can Book Me are credited back to your account. You get the credit for sending us your friends, and we want to thank you for that. When you do have those friends sign up, you'll be able to learn more about who has signed up and what you've been paid out in the referrals and rewards tabs found at the top here. Here's how it works. You share your link with your friends and family. The app automatically keeps track of your referrals and your rewards. Each of your friends who signs up using your discount gets 10% off their first transaction with You Can Book Me, and we pay out your rewards monthly. Here's an example. This is you. Okay, this is me, but pretend it's you. You'll have a unique referral code. That's mine. So heck, if you want to sign up using it, please do. I'm going to send my unique referral code to these 3 people. When these 3 people get my unique code, if they sign up, I get a $10 credit to my You Can Book Me subscription, provided they have signed up for a yearly or 2-year package with You Can Book Me. And my friend gets 10% off their first purchase. It's also important to note they don't have to dive right in. They can still go through our 2-week free trial to make sure that this is the right tool for them before they sign up for anything. And we think that's really important. As I mentioned, they can sign up to give you the credit. They can sign up for the yearly or the 2-year plan. However, even if they sign up for the monthly plan, they're still going to get that 10% discount. It's important to note that that 10% discount does stack. So they get 10% off if they pay yearly and 20% off if they pay every 2 years. So that 10% would stack on top, making it 20% and 30%. And as mentioned, if this is applicable towards the individual, professional, and also the team's plans. So if they sign up, they get that discount and you get that credit. 1 month later, because we pay out monthly, I would get paid out $10 for each of my friends who signed up for paid yearly or every other year plans with You Can Book Me, with direct $10 credits for each individual into my account, which is absolutely awesome. It's that simple. Copy your link, send it to your friends, get credits to your account, and get them a little discount on the end. Thank you so much for using You Can Book Me. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to reach out to our support team at any time. Thank you so much.